Hi guys, welcome back to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is your girl Stacy-Lee. We're back in the kitchen again. Today we'll be doing ackee and saltfish. That's one of Jamaica's favorite. And we're gonna do it with boiled dumplings, sweet potato, and Irish potato. But first I want to give some shout outs to some of my fans. I want to big up Nada in New York, Vianney, what's her name? Stephanie. Want to give a shout out to Althea and also Latoya. Big up on yourself. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Also Alicia from Jamaica, Westmoreland. Big up yourself. Yeah, so we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna do ackee and saltfish with boiled dumpling, sweet potato, and Irish potato. That's one of Jamaica. Ackee and saltfish is Jamaica national dish. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. So we already we made the dumplings, so we're gonna just go and put it into the so just rolling the spinners, yeah? Are you showing your juice? That's Messiah showing his apple juice. Drink up your apple juice, man.
I throw apple juice in that one.
Yeah, you throw it in that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
See sour.
Just slice up the sweet potato. So this is the Irish potato. We're peeling the Irish potato. Slice it. Get these into the pot. So this is the virgin cooking oil. Add some to the pot. Well, we already have our natural seasoned all chopped. So we're going to put it in. So we have the sweet potato, the sweet pepper of different colors, the onion, the scallion, and the thyme and some garlic. And we add that in. Just gonna let that simmer a little bit. So that's the scallion in. And we're going to let that go for a little while. All right, over here we're going to get the saltfish all ready. Alright, so we're going to clean the saltfish up. Take off the scale and such alike. Alright, so this looking pretty, smelling good. And now we're gonna throw off the water. So the aim is to get as much of the salt out of the saltfish. So let's taste it. Still salty. So what I'm doing here is using the strainer to hold the saltfish while I run it under the water to get the salt out. So you try to get as much of the salt out as possible. Good. And you just taste it. Alright. So I'm now going to add the saltfish over here. So we add the saltfish to the natural season and let it cook in a little bit. Look at that. So since the saltfish still have salt, you're not going to add any goya or anything to it like that. I'm just adding some of the Italian seasoning. That's some herbs. And just allow this to cook in. Plantain, we leave the skin on it to give it that little cushion. Yeah. I'm not going to burn this up. I'm not going to burn this up. Alright, so we get that cut. And we're going to pour off the excessive water. And this is the Jamaican choice ackee in brine. I love to give it a little wash too, to get off that excessive brine off it. Just give it a little wash. Alright, so this is the Jamaican choice ackee. Let's see what's going on over here. Alright, looking good.
This is the egg.
Now this is the saltfish.
Oh, this is the saltfish. You have to go around and get confident.
I'm just taking out some of the saltfish for Matthias. I'm finished with this, Papa. Thank you. So we're gonna add some black pepper to the ackee. And that's basically it. So just give it a little stir. We're just gonna make that simmer a little bit. Alright, that's that for now. Okay guys, let's check in back. We're gonna see what's going on here in the pot. Yeah, the dumpling is all cooked. It's a dumpling.
We didn't reset.
This is the ripe plantain. Sweet potato. It's like when it is cooked. So look at it. Just giving it a last minute stir. Let's get everything into it. Alright, get some of the ackee here. Look at that. Alright, so that's the ackee and saltfish, dumpling, potato, Irish, and plantain. Yeah, let's see what it tastes like. Alright. Let's taste into it, Papa. Let's bless the food. So, Lord, thank thee for this meal. Amen.
I need to thank you for this meal.
Amen.
Amen.
All right, so let's taste into the Irish potato.
We finished.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the ackee and the Irish. Yeah. Blowing it.
Hot. 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 Yeah. I want some. I want to see you.
You want to have some?
I don't want this one. I want that. Oh, on the middle.
Want some of the saltfish?
Yeah, fishy. Fishy. Fishy.
Okay, there you go. So guys, let me tell you. So when food tastes good, food tastes good. When food cook good, food cook good. Yeah. And it is very fulfilling when you know that you cook and your family go for for seconds, you know, so the food turn up.
Yeah.
So this is the end product of the ackee and saltfish with cooked dumpling, potato, sweet potato, Irish potato, and plantain. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. Big up yourself.